What happens to your body when you hang every day for 5 minutes? What if improving your health was as simple as hanging from a bar for just 5 minutes a day? This underrated exercise packs incredible benefits, helping you relieve pain, boost mobility, and build strength. Let's dive into how a daily hang can transform your fitness and well-being. Hunched over your desk all day? Hanging helps undo that tension by decompressing your spine, aligning your posture, and easing stubborn back pain. As your spine stretches, you'll feel relief and better posture that carries into your daily life, keeping discomfort at bay. Don't underestimate the power of your grip. Hanging strengthens your forearms, wrists, and hands, setting a solid foundation for lifts, pull-ups, or daily tasks. Even if you're a beginner, this simple practice can drastically improve your grip strength and overall upper body endurance over time. Hanging opens tight shoulders and improves your joint flexibility, key for lifting, sports, or reducing stiffness. It creates space in your shoulders, helping you move more freely while reducing the risk of injury. Feel taller, looser, and ready for action with just a few minutes each day. Start slow. Hang on to a sturdy pull-up bar, aiming for 30-second holds. Gradually work up to a full 5 minutes. Need variety? Alternate between active hangs, working your muscles, and passive hangs. Relax and let gravity do the work. Consistency is key for long-term benefits. Ready to transform your health in just 5 minutes a day? Start hanging daily and see the results for yourself. Share your progress in the comments and inspire others. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more easy, life-changing fitness tips. Let's hang strong together.